What mistakes do you often see other wildlife control companies or operators making?
Foam, spray foam. We don't use any spray foam. Spray foam it's Texas. It's hot. That stuff gets very brittle after a year of the heat. And that could be part of the reason why, there's shorter warranties on some of that stuff. But it's the and not properly recognizing the animals. I was literally just at a house that they told me they had rats. I went up into their attic. They had rats, but they also had raccoons. I was the third company to go there. Nobody had identified raccoons. I went outside. I found the entry point. So it's you just got to be thorough, and you have to make sure that you know exactly what you're doing. And I think a lot of the rush and haste of other companies is one of their downfalls, and that goes back to the do it right the first time.